using project network diagram. The diagram that you're seeing in front of you on the screen, it depicts all the activities from start to end of a project. Now there are various paths here from start to end. One of the path is A, C, D. Another path is B, C, D. The third path is B, F. So, can you see any other path from start to end? So there are three paths. Now the activity, the numbers written on the activity are the durations in days. The duration of activity A is 8, C is 4, D is 2, B is 3, E is 1 and F is 3. Based on this, what is the length of path ACD?
8 days.
8 days. What is the length of path BCD?
9 days.
9 days. What is the length of path
9 days.
BEF?
7.
7 days. BEF is 7 days. Now, tell me which path should determine the duration. Principally, the duration should be determined by the biggest path. And this path is critical path. Here the biggest path is BCD, which is 9 days. Why I am taking the biggest path? Because in 9 days, if I take duration as a 9 days, all the other activities will be done. Right? So, we can say that BCD in this diagram is a critical path. Critical path is the longest path in a project network diagram. Right? This path determines the duration of the project. We cannot afford any delay on an activity on the critical path. Is this clear?
Yes.
Now, we can afford some delay on activities on non-critical path though. In fact, there is a term called as float, total float, slack or total slack. Any delay that we can afford in any activity on the project network diagram is called as float, slack, total float or total slack. For critical path, it will always be 0, but on non-critical path, we can afford some delays. For example, ensure that your critical path is not at risk, you might have to take resources from non-critical path to mitigate the risks of slippage of the critical path. Now, few questions. Can a project have more than one critical path? Yes, it might. It can have more than one critical path. Will the critical path remain constant throughout the project life cycle? No. Critical path will change throughout the project life cycle.